And we got Noah here, and I seen this. This is pretty cool. It's a reverse, right?
Yes.
And what I'm understanding, it's hydraulic?
No, it's purely mechanical. It's a replacement to your stock pulley. Our pulley is different from your stock because ours has a set of planetary gears inside it.
Okay.
Normally the pulley is strictly locked. It allows you to go forward like a stock pulley, but when you actuate it, you can actually allow this pulley to counter-rotate and give you the ability to go in reverse while you're in first gear. So you have the same relative control and power that you have in forward first, you would have that in reverse.
And I heard him saying something though with trikes though, you have issues with putting it on?
We don't sell this for trikes, it's strictly for two-wheeled motorcycles.
Okay.
We do have prototyping, we're looking into making it for the trike, but right now it's strictly two-wheeled Harley-Davidson touring bikes.
Well, what I liked, I didn't hear no grinding, I didn't hear no electrical motor, and if you demo it, I'd like to see it again. Oh, I could have some fun parking with some of my buddies. But that's pretty neat, and you're looking around, how much for it?
Sells on our website now, it's at $1,995. That includes every single thing you need. The only thing you might need, if you do not have a accessory switch on your motorcycle, you'll need to get one from Harley. But ours is a purely plug and play, so it plugs into the accessory harness under the seat, and instructions are very straightforward, and there's a website with a video even showing you how to do it. So.
Okay, and this is your website and all up here?
Yes, usa.com.
Okay, and let me, one other thing, because they'll ask me, what's the warranty on this?
2-year unlimited mile.
And does it do anything?
It's a dry unit. It's a sealed bearing unit.
And it won't mess up your extended warranty or anything?
Well, there is no reverse that you can buy that, this is the least invasive choice.
Okay.
So, your pulley is a wear and tear item anyway. Your belt is a wear and tear item.
Right.
But, as far as, it's strictly a pulley.
Okay. Well,
any of the warranty on the bike.
Okay.
And it hasn't with the dealers that we've worked with.
Great. Hey, thanks a lot. Nice product, guys.